Thank you for tuning in to Lockey USA videos. This video will demonstrate how to change the code on an M and C series lock. The tools you will need to change your code are the supply tweezers that came with the lock or a set of needle nose pliers. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the lock from the door or gate completely and then grab the combination lock body. Step 2. Using the number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 red screws. As you finish taking off the 2 red screws, carefully remove the cover to make sure that none of these springs fall out. Step 3. Turn and hold the knob in the cleared position. While holding the knob in the cleared position, move the red pins to the numbers or letters that you'd like the code to be. Step 3 continued. Once you have the red pins in the desired position for your new code, you will now fill the empty slots with the blue pins. Failure to turn and hold the knob in the cleared position while changing the code will void the warranty and may damage the lock. In this example, I am changing the code from 2359 to the code 6789. Each pin has a small bump on one side which will fit in the slot easily. The bump points up on the right side of the lock and down on the left side. If the pin isn't going in easy, don't force it as you probably need to flip the pin over. Also, the color on each pin must always face up. While changing the code, you may release the knob from the cleared position after pulling out or inserting a pin. However, you must always have the knob turned in the cleared position while pulling out or inserting the pins. Step 4. Carefully put the cover back on the lock and fasten it with the 2 red screws. Before installing your lock back on the door or gate, check to make sure your code is working. If the code is working, you may now install your lock. If you have a double combination lock, you will need to follow steps 1 through 4 to change the code on the other side.